Hill and Professor Jones, and they're off. Early lead is taken by Professor Jones from the outside, and moving up on the inside is Nurture Nature. It's Nurture Nature in the lead, followed by Professor Jones on the outside. Nash moving up on the inside, and Finishing Bell moving up in between horses. And entry number 7, Against All Odds. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Professor Jones and Nurture Nature. Moving up on the farther outside is Finishing Bell. And rounding the far turn, Finishing Bells on the outside, and by the rail is Professor Jones. And Nash is running in third by 2.5 lengths, Nurture Nature, and Oyster Perpetual on the outside, Silver Champ. Moving up on the inside is Skylopia, and Against All Odds. And at the top of the stretch, Finishing Bells on the outside, and in between horses is Professor Jones. On the inside is Nash. Professor Jones in between horses, Finishing Bells on the outside, Nash, and Skylopia moving up, Oyster Perpetual on the farther outside. And hearing the pair line is still Professor Jones, and finally Professor Jones, Skylopia, Nash, Finishing Bell, Oyster Perpetual, Rocking Hill, Private Thoughts, Nurture Nature, Silver Champ.